Welcome to my world that's painted with sadness. There's no light of sun, there you can't hear any sound at all. Here I'm waiting silently for you, Father. Why were you so cruel? Why'd you leave Mary alone? La 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 la. Please take me away. I desperately promise to be a good girl, to be worthy of your love. I don't need the pink books, the dolls and the dresses. Just tell me why you've left your pictures and gone. Who are you, stranger, with a red rose in your hand? I liked you from the first sight. I wanna be your friend. Let's play. I've never asked for this place that's called my home, but hope you will be staying with me until the end. La 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 la. Please don't be scared of me, I'm a good girl. I just want to be with you, to forget my sorrow. I'm tired of being the puppet of this world. Oh, tell me, why do you want to go with this man? Is he your true knight in the shining armor, who'll sacrifice himself just for your sake with no fear? But then why does he look like the one who created this gallery and picture that what gave me my birth? La 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 la. My tears are falling. Why is it so painful? I did nothing wrong, so why do you hate me so much? This burning canvas became your cruel answer, and now flames unsparingly kiss me goodnight. Welcome to her world that's lying in ashes. There's a sea of fire, there is no way to run at all. She only wanted to be with her father, but little Mary's melting in her abyss.